Each person is a composite of 4 things: chi, eke, agun, and mo. At the same time, Chukwu Okike is also a composite of these 4 things. Chukwu has a chi, which is what we refer to as Chukwu, Eze Chitoke, Olisa, and Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Chukwu has an eke, which is the universe, a physical manifestation of creation itself. As the universe or creation is the physical body or physical existence of the conceiving spark. Chukwu has an agun, which is known as Ezumezu agun. Ezumezu agun is the full manifestation of agun, the agun which I'm specifically referring to when I say the universal mind. Ezumezu agun is represented by having 4 faces facing in 4 directions: Eke, Urie, Afo, and Nkwo, the states which Agun achieved once Agun received Etu, Chukwu's infinite and total state of wisdom. And it is these 4 faces which makes Agun complete and all-knowing. For this reason, Agun, or a person's Agun, is referred to as their full self. Ezumezu Agun is important in the understanding of self within Odinani and Igbo, as all people have an Ezumezu, which is their total and complete mind, or capacity to be all-knowing and all-seeing. So if you're interested in the video on Ezumezu, let me know below.